What's up, guys? Malik here, and welcome back. I realize I misspoke yesterday when I said I didn't do any trades. Turns out I actually did do a trade, but looking at it now, it's like the timing was a bit off. So it wasn't during the New York session, which I actually broke one of my rules. So I'll go over the trade I made yesterday and go over the trade I made today, right? So, as usual, we go into the charts, and I'm looking at the NASDAQ 100. I want to kind of master this symbol, instrument, or ticker. It's an indices. I want to master it. So that's why you only see me trade one thing, because I want to have a in-depth understanding of how this one trades before I even try to force a trade on another instrument. Like, I want to zone in on this one, right? So today, let me actually go back to yesterday. So with this platform, let's see, 11 a.m. is 9. 11 a.m. is 8. Let me just, I have a little key right here that I wrote. So 11:23 a.m. is 8:23 a.m., right? So 3:25 a.m. is what? 12:25 a.m. Correct? Yes. No. Yeah. 12:25 a.m. and then it got closed out at, I guess, 3 a.m. All right. So let's test this. So 6. What I'm trying to do is find the time, because the time on here, it's a little mixed up because this is a overseas broker, right? So this is the time we're assuming that works with it. So we're looking for 3:25 a.m. yesterday. Okay. So 3:25 a.m. yesterday. So we're gonna actually move back the charts. We can actually make this box smaller. Like, I don't need so much of you. So we're going to Tuesday at 3 a.m. And let's see what I was seeing, why I might have entered the trade. So Tuesday at, no, the first trade was 12:25 a.m. So we're looking for the 12:15 candle. So it would have been this one, right? And it's saying here that I entered at 13,409.3. 49.3, and that's looking accurate. That's on the candle, right? What did I do? I entered to the downside, right? I mean, I was holding this trade overnight. 3 o'clock was that, or was it 2? Was actually the, no, this was 3:38. So the 3:30 candle. This is what took me out at 14:37.2. This is where I got knocked out. So I entered to the downside here thinking I could take it much lower, and then I got knocked out. There's a little bit of the, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's the market or it's the broker, because this data set is just different from what they're showing me here. So when I'm entering and exiting the trades, it seems like price never went to that level on the O1 charts, but it definitely went there on my broker, or at least that's what they're saying. And I'm just I don't like that there's so much like discrepancies when it comes to the price, but it happens and they're providing me funding, so I'm hoping there's nothing like elusive about what's going on there. So right here, I entered at 9:45 a.m. and let's see, that would have been the 9. That was this candle. This was a nasty candle, bro. Like this candle was like mm, mm, mm. So you'll see where I entered to the buy side here, and then it basically used me as liquidity. I was like toilet paper, and they just crushed me up and spit me out basically. So 13,448. So I entered to the downside here. There's obviously a little discrepancy when it comes to the price, but I entered around here. I mean, it was a little it was a little after the candle closed, a little after the candle opened. Yeah, both. The previous candle closed and then it opened. So it could have opened down here, but it closed around here, right? But then where I entered, this is where they filled me at, and this is where they closed me out at my stop loss. So the earlier trade was a loss of 27. The next trade was a loss of 55. My what am I looking at? So my win rate now is 20%. So you see I've been just on a down trade now. This is a $25,000 account, and it's just stepping down, stepping down, stepping down. Let's see at what level I get stopped out at 23750. So if I lose, wow, I have to trade almost every day. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't realize that. Okay. So if I lose 1,250, I lose this account, right? So that's why I'm taking it in strides and then just gonna push it from there. If anybody has any recommendations and believe they can help me to get profitable and kinda they know some information that would really help me, don't be afraid to share it, because if I get rich, other people are gonna get rich, and I can help you out, right? But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, gang.